like at least like a month. I'm gonna go see Lily. We got the new car. This was my goal. I wanted to get a new car and go see Lily before summer's over. And we did a fucking bowl.
Is it like a porn?
Dude, that's what I said. I watched it. I'm like, this is like a porn camera.
Intimate.
There you go. Look at her. Oh.
Look, it's open.
Oh. Wanna stab me, bro?
Yeah, I'll stab you. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Thank you.
Just slip it in.
Ew. Hey, Ganges. Welcome, MTV. Hi. Ooh. We got coffee and food. Okay, go. Lily, dip your cheese. Go. Yes. Yes. Ash's first dip. Yes. Daniel's dip. The dip. Oh, are we ready for it?
Is this spicy?
It's spicy. Morgan's dip. Okay.
Let me try. Let me see. Here. That's right. Get in there. Lay it on thick. Oh. Somebody take this from me.
Tell me how the fuck I'm supposed to deal with losing you. I'm with Haley! I was just showing her my camera. Thank you, guys. This thing? I literally ran all the way back into the house to get this camera because I want to document this day for funsies. Because I jam-packed it full for funsies. So this is my little pamper day for my 21st birthday. We gotta get on the road though. It is 9:06. My appointment is at 10 in the morning. I'm starting early. Took the 95 to the 110, headed your way, through the paper drape, through the yellow tape, through the motor, got the Toyota on the tollway. Could I do a venti mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade? Swoop. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Okay, take a shot every time that I said thanks. Thanks so much. Bro, I just left and these are disgusting. Disgusting in the best way. Look at that. I forgot to ask for a pink and white fill like ahead of time. Or pink and white in general because it's like a different process. So I just got this like sheer color and I'm fucking with it. Pretend like my tan isn't between my fingers. My fucking hair!